Okay, I've got my canvas all prepped at the back. I usually tape them off. Yeah, see, it's pretty tight on here. There's no sagging, so it's a pretty good canvas. All right, I'm going to be adding a base on here, and it is Glidden Speed Pro interior latex, and whoops. Okay, I'm just going to line my colors along this way here, and I'm going to just blow out. Hopefully it'll work out. Okay. I'm going to put, I've got Azo Gold here, so I'm going to add this much Azo Gold. I've got Meteorite. Oh, sorry, this is a TLP Meteorite. And I've got some Calypso Teal. Add a little bit of Van Dyke Brown. Maybe not too much of this. So I forgot, I got a little bit of white. It's just titanium white mixed with the pouring medium. And a little bit of black. Oops. Also mixed with pouring medium. Oh, one color I did forget. Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. That's it. All right. I got 3 different cell activators. One's Prussian blue mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I've got Atelier white, titanium white mixed with Floetrol. And black, Slant Black. Okay. I'm going to put white on first, then black, and then Prussian blue. Good enough, good enough. And the Prussian blue. I'm just going to pour it on. All right. Oh, wish me luck here. I don't know if this hairdryer is too strong. We'll find out. And I have a cool setting, so it's not hot. Okay, I have to add more paint around the sides. I didn't get a whole lot of cells. Over here I did. I messed up. I hit the white before I hit the paint, so it didn't really sell up over here. But I'm going to continue on here and see how it turns out. Looks really pretty over here. I wonder if I just blow a little bit this way. Oh. I'm gonna just give it a little try. Didn't turn out very good there. Should have left it alone. Okay, here we go. The spinning. I'm just trying to tilt some of this off over here. I don't want to lose this. Maybe I'll tilt some of this off too. Oops. Oh. Okay, I'm going to push it over that way just a bit. Lots of paint. I think I like it. No wonder. Perfect. Tilt it that way. Okay. I like it. I don't think it's moving a whole lot. So I think I'm pretty much done. I do like it. Even though I messed up at the beginning, I got rid of a lot of it. I have some cool, really cool cells right here. A few little ones over here. I do like it. Just touching up the corners a bit. All right. I like it. I think it's really, I really like the wispiness of it, and I like how the colors blend together. All right, I'll bring you down for, or I'll bring it up for a close-up. Hi, I'm back with the dried result. It dried really nice. And I will bring you down for a close-up. I really love how it turned out. Of course, this is the best part right around here. Okay, so I will let you go now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. See you in my next video.